if I'm not mistaken, I think you're talking about the videos you're doing with the text and the captions, right? Maybe they're actually going away too quick. So what you need to do is time them and make sure that they're staying up there a little bit longer, because remember, the longest video you can do on a Facebook reel, and keep this in mind, it only is about 90 seconds. So like what happens is it's going to go really quick. Okay. A lot of people think it's like an Instagram story or like a YouTube short and it's going to be stay up there longer. They don't stay up there very long. They really don't. But you have the maximum length you can do for a Facebook reel video is 90 seconds. So when you think about this, play with your video, use your edit feature, and when you put the captions up there, if you're doing like a word of the day Wednesday, which I know a lot of people are modeling after me, make sure that the caption stays up there a little bit longer for a couple more seconds before you go into the call to action. And that's what I try to do. I know one guy was like, being a person hard to communicate with, said to me, hey, Ace, can you make the video a little longer? It's 90 seconds. You can't really go any longer than that. No. If that's the case, go watch my YouTube videos then. You know what I mean? But it's a YouTube short. It's just to pique curiosity and just pique people's interest. That's all it is. It's not really something to just stay in there and watch all the time, because after 24 hours, those reels, they go away. They do. They'll stay in your account and archive if you didn't know that, but they do go away. So they're not going to stay up there in the feed. You have to constantly be consistent and upload new video content.